can't buy what will give me headache. Hello fam. Good morning again. Good morning. So fam, it is it's currently, this is 7:39 a.m. yeah, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. So the kids are still sleeping and it's Saturday, it's weekend, and today I just plan to declutter my closet. Yeah, I plan to just declutter the house. In fact, not just my closet but the house entirely. So I want to take my time this weekend to do a lot of deep cleaning in my house, like deep one. Go into some different closets, taking out some unuseful materials that we have at home, both the ones for the kids that they don't need anymore and they have been having for the very longest time and they don't even play with, and they have maybe also destroyed. So it's all full in the house. I haven't had time since, YouTube things and all of that. So guys, let's get into business. Before these kids wake up, at least I must have done some part. Like, let me show you guys my closet. It is a mess. It is a total disaster. My closet is a total disaster. If I should show you, it's not even well kept. It is scattered. Everything is scattered wherever. Don't judge me, guys. Don't judge me. This is one of the struggles of a single mom, okay? It's not easy at all, even, okay? Yes. Let me flip the camera around. You guys will see. Guys, who on earth does this? Whose closet looks like this, please? Whose closet looks like this? Like, can you tell me? Can you tell me? Even here, these are where the undies, the little things, singlets, little stuff stay, and pajama. Yeah. If I should open there, even the thing holding it from the down, because of not well kept, it is literally falling off. Like, look, do you see that? It's literally like now off. This thing used to stay at the bottom, so you see, because I don't keep them well properly anymore, it is now falling off. It is too bad. Like, it's too bad. Who does this? Look at, just take a look at where oh my god, even my perfume place. Like, okay, this place is still good. The jacket, okay, it's still going well a little bit. Look at that. Look at who does this. Oh my goodness. Look at, take a look. Okay, this place is not bad at all as well. Okay, not too bad, but I have to declutter. I have to arrange it properly. How to put the pullovers where the pullovers has to be, the trousers, the jeans where the jeans has to be, the shirts where the shirt. Like, I have to really properly arrange this. Oh my goodness, I'm literally shy now. Guys, before I do this, I have to show you guys something. You know that a neighbor of ours came. The toys I showed earlier, like they came at my house. Like, I was literally at home. We were just literally at home, and my neighbors came around and just like surprised us. I don't even know. Like, they just knocked on my door. And then the next thing I see is them asking me, they say that I have kids, little kids to say. So they feel like they have to give me something that their kids no longer use, and I'm really grateful. Like, they brought tons of toys the kids no longer use, because according to them, they said the kids have already kind of grown out of them. They are no longer their age to use them to play. And yeah, I'm really grateful. And among the things that they brought, first of all, let me start with this. Let me just start with this package. Do you guys know what this is? Let me show you. Like it came like this. Can you guys see that? Oh, this is beautiful. Do you guys know what this is? It's so cute. This is actually a perfume. It's a perfume, guys. It is a perfume. Oh my god, and it smells wonderful. It smells like rich footballer. It smells like rich footballer. Yeah. She's so nice. I mean, the couples are really nice. Okay, so these are one of the perfume they bought for their kid, and they said they decided to give me one of it for my kids too. So it smells so nice. I love it. I really love it, and my kids also really love it because of, you know, the the packaging of the perfume. You know, it's like boots, like sports boots, you know, now football sports boots. So they love it. Yeah. So the another things that they brought, I showed you guys earlier before, and those things I have put some in the garage because I don't have enough space in my house. Actually, obviously I only have 2 rooms, okay, so I can't have everything here, so I just left some few and put some where I can put some in the house so that when the kids need them, they can just take it and play. Okay, pardon my face, I have not had my bath, and pardon this hair. I'm gonna be taking down this my cornrow at least hopefully this weekend and to remake another one. I have to look fresh for the week, another week. Yeah. So anyway, let me just get into what I have for today before these children of the Lord, before they wake up and start to disturb. Yeah. I have to start my poop on.
Come back. Not the love way I see when they give me the liver. I be get a boy, I be sinner. Fed nobody I be thank God that they go far. No same but would I labor. Shout to me, the Korodu. Bandana loli biti tupa. Midnight walkers karashika. Them never see me coming. Coming. One is coming. Now job boy where they blow money. We blow money. Oh she sugar daddy. Them never see me coming. Coming. Oh one is coming. Now job boy where they blow money. We blow money. Oh she sugar daddy. Now job boy where they blow money. We blow money. Oh she sugar daddy. Them never see me coming. Coming. Oh one is coming. Now job boy where they blow money. We blow money. Oh she sugar daddy. Now job boy where they blow money. We blow money. Oh she sugar daddy. Them never see me coming. Coming. Oh one is coming. Now job boy where they blow money. We blow money. Oh she sugar daddy. Now job boy where they blow money. We blow money. Oh she sugar daddy. Them never see me coming. Coming. Oh one is coming. Now job boy where they blow money. We blow money. Oh she sugar daddy. Now job boy where they blow money. We blow money. Oh she sugar daddy. Them never see me coming, coming. Where one is coming. Nanja boy where they blow money, we blow money. Who say sugar daddy? Nanja boy where they blow money, we blow money. Who say sugar daddy?
Look guys, it's actually very freezing. Thank God I'm not going outside today. Like, thank God. I just took my time this week. Like, I really planned it that this weekend I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to be indoors, like strictly indoors this weekend. I need to rest. Look at outside. You see the grasses are even frozen. Do you see? Because of the chilled weather. Look, hi guys, look at this. I actually forgot I have it. Like, can you imagine? For winter, this has to be my favorite winter leggings because it has this fleece. You see, it has this fleece and it keeps me very warm. I actually forgot I have it too. My goodness. Oh yeah, you're back to work. You're back to work. It's winter time, guy. It's winter time, girly. Let's get to work, eh? Don't stay too far away again, please. So guys, this is where we are currently. Yeah, we're almost there. Yeah. We're almost there, and these kids have just woken up. Oh my goodness. I've not even done all these batches. Look, it's too much. Like, I am arranging, and at the same time I am decluttering, and also yeah, literally decluttering, like taking away the ones I don't need anymore and all of that. So it's gonna take a while. Quite a while, because I need to settle that to arrange this wardrobe to look really nice, honestly. So anywho's, whenever they stop, whenever the kids start disturbing, or maybe they want to eat, I can just pause and make like breakfast, maybe tea and bread for them. But now I think they are playing currently. Yeah, they are playing. I just sent them to their room, like to the room. They are playing now. Yeah, see them. Please take the stick away from there, okay? Put it in the bathroom back, okay? So it doesn't injure you guys, please. Okay, guys? And play gently, okay? What? What is komisch? Nein.
Them never see me coming, coming. Where one is coming. Nanja boy where they blow money, we blow money. Who say sugar daddy? We blow money, we blow money. Who say sugar daddy? Them never see me coming, coming. Where one is coming.
So guys, we are done. Yeah, we're done arranging. Okay. So this is it. This is how it looks. Ta-da! Hope I did a great job. At least I tried. Yeah, this is where the jeans are. Yeah, those are the jeans. The jeans. And the tops. The few tops that I have. Yeah, I think the gown, and yeah, some matchy ones. And here are, I think, my leggings. Yeah, here are the leggings, and yeah, a little bit of my towel. One of my towels I can't be using now. So which is it. And under here are, like, you know, on these, all these little ones. Yeah, you know, and some singlets. Yeah, at least I tried. Now I tried. This one is 1 top, one chiffon top like that. I don't want it to get rumpled, so I just put it there. So here are these ones, my mini perfume place. Yeah, all my different perfumes. Yeah, there they are. And yeah, this is like where I keep my supplements. Here are my jackets, the sweaters. Yeah, like the pulleys and all of that. Here are more of the sweatshirts. Yeah, here they are. And up here they are still empty. I don't know what to put there yet, so until I keep buying some little more things, I decluttered a lot, guys. And yeah, here is my bag. This is like my makeup bag, all my makeup. No, I don't do makeup like this. Is like I don't even do makeup. This is like all my nail polish and all of that. Yeah, this is where they are. Cotton wool. Yeah, there they are. Nail cutters removal, all of them are there. And here is like small bag that is still remaining. Yeah, and that is that, guys. And under here too, there's this book of mine, and yeah, this nylon bag of my attachments that I used to make hair that are there. Yeah. And for here, I just finished cleaning. Yeah, cleaning here. Yeah, the kids' ball are here. I reduced these balls. They were so full. I had to put some in the garage because these kids, they would throw everything all over the whole house, and it would be stressful for me. So I just left this few for them. Let them handle that one. I don't want to talk headache to myself. So guys, these are the ones that I had just decluttered. Okay. So here they are. This one bag, I will be throwing these ones away. I'll be throwing them away. While these ones, I'll be taking them for donation. Yeah, these ones here. These ones, they are a bit quite old. They're not what I can give out, so I have to throw these ones away. And this one I can give for donation. Okay. Let's go. These are some of the toys that my neighbors bought for my kids. Yeah, like it's too many. I have to leave this one because I know they like these cars things a lot. So I have to leave this one while I take the rest to the garage. So many. I don't have space in this house. It's just a very little house, 2 rooms. You can see. So I manage my space so well. I manage my space so well, guys. So as we are done with this one, I feel so lazy because in between, during the time I was arranging those places, I had to pause and go and eat. Yeah, I had to pause at some point to go and eat because the girl is hungry, and I also have to give the kids breakfast, right? So I just finished eating and arranging that closet. It took a lot of time. I won't even lie because I have to take my time to take out some things that I don't need and also clean and arrange it properly. You understand? So we're done for here now. Let me see what next to do. I can now go maybe shower and yeah, have my bath and enjoy the rest of the weekend. Yeah. So guys, thanks a lot for now.